Hello and welcome. This lecture is also based on multiplying any digit number by series of 9. In this lecture, we will be discussing third type, in which the number of digits in the number are more than the number of digits in the series of 9. This time, number of digits in the number are more than the number of digits in the series of 9. So, we have to multiply 134 by 99. Because there are two digits in the series of 9, so we will divide this number to two parts, 1 and 34. We have taken two digits separate from the rest of the number because there are two digits in the 99. Now the answer is divided into three parts. First of all, we will copy this part of the number as it is, 1. And for the second part of the number, we will increase this number by 1, so this number will become 2, and we will subtract this number from the second part of the number. So 34 minus 2 gives us 32. This will become the second part of the number. For the third part of the number, as usual, we will apply nigglum on this number 34. So all from 9, last from 10, we will subtract 3 from 9. This will give us 6, and 4 from 10. So this will also give us 6. So this is the answer. So this time we are going to get the answer in three parts. In order to understand well, let's take one more example. Now this time there are 4 digits in the number and 3 digits in the series of 9. Because there are 3 digits in the series of 9, so we will divide this number to two parts, leaving 3 digits in the second and rest of the digits in the first place. Now the answer is divided into three parts. For the first part, we will write this number as it is, like 4. Then we will increase this number by 1. This will become 5. Now we will subtract this number from second part of the number, 371. That means we are going to subtract 5 from 371. And this is going to give us 366. This will become the second part of the number. For the third part, we are going to apply nigglum on this number, that is all from 9, last from 10. So the difference of 3 from 9 is 6, the difference of 7 from 9 is 2, and the difference of 1 from 10 is 9. So this is the answer. This type of calculation is going to take 3 to 5 seconds. Let's try one more example. Now here we have to multiply. Now there are two digits in the series of 9, so we will divide this number to two parts, 25, 63. First of all, for the first part of the answer, we will copy this number as it is, like 25. And then we will increase this number by 1. So this will give us 26. And we will subtract this 26 from 63. So if we subtract 26 from 63, we are going to get 37. We will copy 37 as it is. This is the second part of the result. For the third part of the result, we will apply nigglum on this number, second part. So we have to subtract 6 from 9, that is 3, and 3 from 10, that is 7. So this is the answer. Now I am going to take slightly harder problems. Because there are two digits in the series of 9, so we will divide this number to two parts, 15, 12. And now we have to copy the first part as it is, 15, and then we have to increase this part by 1, so this becomes 16. Now we have to subtract 16 from 12. But 12 is smaller than 16. Then how to do it? So this is the point here. For this kind of question, when the second part is less than the first part, in that case, how to proceed? Let's try to understand. For this kind of problem, first we copy one lesser number from here, 14, and we will give 1 to 12. So this will become 112 now. Then we will increase this part 15, not 14, 15 only, by 1. So this will become 16. Now we can subtract 16 from 112. And this will give us 96. So second part of the result is 96, and for the third part we will apply Niculum on 12. All from 9, last from 10. We will subtract 1 from 9, we will get 8, and we will subtract 2 from 10, we will get 8 again. So this is the answer. Let's do the third example. This time again we can observe that the second part of the number is lesser than the first part. We'll divide this number to two parts because there are 2 digits in the series of 9. So we will separate this number to two parts, leaving 2 digits in the second part and the rest of the digits in the first part. Now because this number is smaller than 25, so we will copy 24 instead of 25 and we will give 1 to this number. So this number will become 114. And now we will increase this number by 1, this will become 26 and we will subtract 26 from 114. So this becomes the second part of the number, and for the third part again we have to apply Niculum on 14, that is we will subtract 1 from 9, 8, and we will subtract 4 from 10, we will get 6. So this is the answer. And now there is a small task for you to practice more problems. And answers are also given to you. So that's all in this lecture. Bye.